Did you know crows can recognize human faces and remember them for years? Yeah, these birds are ridiculously smart. If you annoy a crow, it'll remember you, and it doesn't stop there. It'll tell its friends, warn the entire flock, and even teach its kids that you're bad news. Scientists actually proved this in one of the coolest experiments ever. Researchers wore creepy masks while catching and tagging crows. A few years later, those same masks came back out, and the crows instantly recognized them. They started dive-bombing, cawing, and basically yelling, "We remember you, jerk!" Here's where it gets even wilder. Crows that weren't even born during the original experiment still attacked the masked scientists. That means their parents literally pass down the warning generation to generation. It's like the crow version of, "Don't talk to that guy, he's trouble." And they don't just remember faces. They use tools, hold funerals for their dead, and even play pranks on each other. Some scientists say crows are as intelligent as a 7-year-old human child. So yeah, next time a crow gives you that side eye, just remember, it probably knows who you are, and it's taking notes. Crows, nature's smartest gossip network with a memory that never forgets. If that blew your mind, hit like and subscribe for more seriously wild facts, because the wild world just keeps getting weirder.